can plan on having to replace tires occasionally, replacing bags, once in a while a tail float. But here's the thing, y'all. Y'all running your cleaners too much. You may not be guilty. You that's listening around here, you may not be guilty, but many people are. This cleaner on the average pool is going to cover the entire pool in an hour, hour and a half. It's going to cover almost every last square inch. And running your cleaners 5, 6, 7 hours a day, all you're doing is wearing your cleaner out. If you vacuum the same spot on your rug 15 times versus vacuuming one time, are you going to notice much of a difference? All you're doing is wearing it out. And the booster pumps that run these cleaners, they cost you about $200 to $400 a year in electricity just to run these cleaners. So the more you run it, the more electricity it's costing you. And all these wear items that we're talking about, the bearings, the tires, you're wearing them out quicker. So you're having to buy more tires, you're having to buy more bearings, you're using more electricity. So don't only run these cleaners what it takes. If you're getting a lot of leaves in your pool and you think you're going to run your cleaner for 6 hours and it's going to do a better job, this bag can only hold so many leaves. Once it's full, you're not picking up any more leaves. You're just rolling over the leaves. So running it just because you're getting a lot of debris isn't really helping you unless you're out there constantly emptying the bag.